It's about to be lit. Okay, let's get it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting ready with you guys for my graduation party. If you're new here, I did graduate and I'm throwing like this mini party at my house. Hosting is a lot harder than what I thought, because honestly I've been running around so much and I've been pretty stressed. So as per usual, and with everything that I got going on, I am late to my party. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start the makeup and stuff. This introduction is pretty quick because yeah, I don't have a lot of time, but we gonna make it work, y'all. We gonna make it work. So I've been dropping a lot of videos and I've been doing a lot of videos about me getting ready for this party, so you guys will see all that up on my channel. Like I said, party planning, you know, we be underestimating that because I've been stressed, but all good. We gonna have a good time tonight and stuff, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna put some bronzer, just simple makeup, nothing too crazy. The party is outside, so like I don't want my whole face sweating, but I think we'll be a-okay. Obviously when it's inside, I feel like us girls have less to worry about, but when it's outside, I don't want my makeup like sweating off, so I really gotta bake my face. Now I got about 30 minutes to get ready because I still got to put the food outside and stuff. I live in Florida and this weather is just not it. I mean, it's raining one moment and then it's like this beautiful sunshine, and then it's this horrendous wind and all my decorations are flying, and you already know how I get. I'm like, oh my god, like I'm gonna throw the worst party ever. So it really be crazy for real. Anyway, so my dress is pink. I ordered a special dress, which is over there, for this party. So I'm trying to do a little bit more like pink makeup because that's the color of my dress. And then I'm gonna just wear some sneakers. Honestly, like I've been wearing heels a lot recently and my feet are just tired and I just want to be comfortable tonight. So that's what I'm gonna do. I originally wanted to like bejewel my whole eye. I don't know if I'll have time for all that, to be honest. So we might have to just, you know, not do that. Should I put pink and white or pink and blue? I'm gonna put my lashes on first and everything to see how it looks. I gotta do my eyebrows. Eyebrows are so hard to do, especially when you haven't gotten them done recently. I'm snitching on myself. This brush is about to finish, so if this little piece breaks, I will not have an eyebrow pencil. I'm concentrated, y'all. I'm concentrated. So yeah, this weather makes me so frustrated. You guys have no idea, because all my decorations are like flying away and stuff, and it just stresses me out. So now I'm gonna carve out my brows using my concealer. Alright, now using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty. This is how it looks, literally. I love it. I'm gonna just grab one of the glitter shades. Let me do a pink, like kind of like a gold pink right there. And then I'm gonna go under my eyebrow and just give it a little bit of shimmer. I only do this like on special occasions. Okay. Yeah, I like how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, my eyebrows is looking a little like not how I would have wanted them to look, but that's because I didn't go get them done. But we gonna work with what we have. So yeah. Next up, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this white eyeliner on the bottom of my eye. This makes your eye look more awake. I was in such a rush. I was like, do I even have time to vlog? And then I was like, of course I do. Like, I want to share all this with you guys, so I have to make time even if I'm late. And then I like to blend that out. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add on some lashes. The pink ones, or should I do the orange ones? I'm gonna do these. So I like to put glue on my lash. On my eyeshadow, on my eyelid. I keep saying all the wrong names. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stick my eyelash. And you might need a tweezer for this. Alright, so that's how that eye is looking. I like how it's looking. I like this go-to makeup because it's pretty easy to do. So let's do the other eye. The second eye, I just want to make sure it's like glued on right, because I do not need my lash falling mid-party. Alright. Alright, now you're gonna go with your mascara under your eye. This is not the good mascara. Where's my good mascara? Is it this one? I feel like it's not this one. Where's my mascara? That's so weird. I feel like this is not my mascara. Okay, so just put it under your eye, literally, on your lower lashes. Then you can mix it up with your higher lashes. Just let everything blend in, and then you do the same thing to the other eye. Right, and then blend it all together. Then I'm gonna grab my white eyeliner and make my signature heart. All right, and then I will add some jewels. All right, so I like how it's looking on top of my eye. Mom, someone's here? Mom, someone's here? Kimanya? Alright guys, so I know you see me rushing. Someone just called that they're at the gate, but they're low-key like 45 minutes early. So I don't know who's at the gate right now because no one has even texted me. So yeah, I'm just putting on like perfume. I have to put on my shoes and stuff. So give me a second. I was low-key gonna blow dry my hair, but I guess I don't have time. They're 45 minutes early. I don't know who it is. Alright, so we're just gonna have to work with this hair right here because I do not have time to blow dry my hair. So we're just gonna work with this. I don't know who's there. That's so weird. My dog's barking, so I know there's someone there. Hold on. Alright guys, so some of my friends are actually here ready to help. I am so happy. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my hair like this, and then I'm just gonna bedazzle my other eye really quick. Yeah, really quick. I'm so excited. Bro, shout out to my friends for really pulling through, because like this party stuff is no joke. I was so stressed. Y'all have no idea. Okay, and then I'm gonna just put a little bit of glitter. I'm gonna use this pink one, or this pink one right here, so I can shine bright. All right, I just love a good shimmer. And then a little bit of contour. This is my contour kit. I'm just gonna contour my face just a little bit. Nothing crazy. I probably should have done this in the other order, but it is what it is. So yeah, but I'm so happy guys, like literally this is awesome. Okay. And then just, I gotta brush my hair out. And then I think I'm good to go makeup wise. Let me get some earrings. Alright guys, so this is how I'm looking. So I'm gonna go outside now. I'm gonna be vlogging everything. I'm gonna vlog today's party, so make sure you guys stay in tune. Thank you so much for watching and following along with me on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for that party vlog because it's about to be lit. Okay, let's get it. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So stay in tune and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, bye guys.